The US military has detected a supposed gas attack. At this time, stay indoors and wear masks at all times. If you live in these cities, Chicago, West Chicago, Fourth Dimensional Chicago, or anywhere in Ohio, please go to an airtight area. We thank you for your cooperation. Okay, we found the cause of the gas attack. It wasn't any attack, but instead someone took the most massive turd we have ever seen. It's caused 5 cities to flood already. Don't use the toilet. Don't go turd in your pants. It's not worth it. The smell has knocked out 9 people, 3 of whom are now in a coma. Don't. I repeat. Don't use the bathroom. We thank you for your cooperation.
Number 15. Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I boom this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay. If I don't want that, it also full of bacon. Whopper, any Whopper, my way.